Welcome to TravelBiz Monitor Daily News, your quick dose of top travel headlines and insights. Stay ahead, stay informed. GST Council to implement two-tier tax structure from September 22nd. The GST Council has approved a sweeping overhaul of India's goods and services tax structure, cutting rates on a wide range of everyday items, from hair oil and cornflakes to televisions and insurance policies. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced that the current four-tier system of 5%, 12%, 18% and 28% will be replaced with just two primary slabs of 5% and 18%, plus a special 40% rate for sin and luxury goods like tobacco, high-end cars, and yachts. The government aims to simplify the system, boost consumption, and offset the economic impact of U.S. tariffs. GST cut on health insurance boosts access. The Goods and Services Tax, GST, on health and insurance products, which was earlier set at 18%, has now been reduced to 0%. This move is part of a significant revamp of the GST rate structure announced by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in a late-night press conference. The reform aims to make health coverage more affordable for the public, encouraging wider adoption of insurance policies among households across India. Chinese airlines seek DGCA not to resume India flights after 5-year gap. 3 Chinese carriers, including a cargo operator, have approached India's aviation regulator, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCA, seeking operational authorization to restart direct flights to the country.